So this is a new Kaabo scooter. Let us show you its original speed. See, it's 65 top speed. So now let us show you how to install the speed limit. Plug out the display wire, then connect. Okay, another one. Connect with the controller, the other side. Okay, and this one connect with the USB port. Okay, now it's done. Okay, open the scooter. Let's see. So you can use the remote control. Press one time. Then the speed limit already released. Okay, we try again. Set the speed limit. Press one time and speed limit here. Okay, so the speed limit like this. Once you set the speed limit with all mode, the scooter will be with the speed limit. So you can see.